Here's some more of that calcium deposits. You can use a spoon to take out bigger pieces. And if you bend the angle of the wire, you can go kind of behind and get some of the pieces that are, you know, on the side of the wall, closer to the outlet. This it's not really easy, but not too difficult, and it will extend the life of your water heater quite a bit. This water heater is from 1995, and it's a A.O. Smith water heater, the original from the house. And all I have done is I've done this process probably no more than 3 times in that period of time, from 1995 to this year, 2015. It's something, you know, you do after everybody takes a shower. It takes a little time to do, but once you're done with most of it, you can connect everything and flush it out a little bit, put some water so some of the this dust comes out. But at least you're taking the bigger pieces out, like this one. Sorry for the camera work. I have to try to hold the camera, so I put some kind of holder for the camera. I'm very grateful for videos I've seen in YouTube about how to do things, and hope that this helps somebody if they plan to do this process. Again, when you empty in the water heater, sometimes the water doesn't come out of the hose, so you have to do what I described earlier, putting a little tube. Well, I think you get the idea.